Mania, please! Mania!
Sit down. Oo.
Man lang only.
Oo, math only.
No science?
No science. Oh.
Man lang. Tek. Sulat ko daw. Pen.
And then, write bide here. Gab. Write ka dayo. Bide man na. Copy here. Bide. Sige, write. Bide here. Excuse me. Write. Bide here. Sige, write. Write na. This one. Number 2. Answer number 2.
Listen up. I said the point. How to answer?
No daw science.
Oo, math. Science. Only math. Oh, sige.
There's a small
Finish that.
line and a long line. In the small line, just add letter E. All the small line, just add E. And after that one, copy all this one in the long line. That's one. In the small line, just add letter E, 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 E. And after that one, copy the long line after.
Next. Finish. Gab, finish here. Oh. Sai. Gab, ang letter E daw na ko. This one na is land na. Naran ako, land na ko. Gab. Naran ako. Gab. Land. Answer ka, land. Land. Naran. Yeah.
Hey, can you help me?
Yeah, sure.
Okay,
wait.
what's the sense?
Ini nak water. Ini ka ba water? Okay, okay, I will help you. I will video for first thing. Oh. Be, let me see, Be. Let me check, Be, if you're right. Wow, gab-gab kan answer man, oy. Wow, you know the ano po, the spelling? Ano?
Manila, mamagusod pa panahod. Six gab. Ito ka bridge. Bridge.
What did you say? What did you say? Mag? Answer ka?
Manila.
Oh, tell ka. Sige na, Mag. Sige na ka.
Mag-Manila, please.
Yung ka Manila, please. Mamagasin, Papa na, bagin ba? No, your voice. Sige na, huy. Look at sa camera.
Manila, please! Manila!
Look at here's the flower.
Sel.
Ano naman?
Mamagasal. Mangom.
Circle the roots first. Circle the roots.
Gasel. Tumo. Hindi naman to. Tindahan. Mamagasal.
Oo naman.
Tumo. Mamagasal.
Asa ka adto tomorrow?
Manila, please. Teacher A. Manila ka. Manila daw.
Adto ta Manila? Punta tayo?
Manila.
Gab?
Mamagasal.
Unsa man? Unsa man, Mag? Hoy. Alis sa diri ba? Where's slippers, oy? What did you say? Hoy. What did you say?
Manila.
Hmm? Hoy. Yeah. Hoy, what did you say?
Manila ka.
Huh?
Manila.
Asa taad to?
Manila.
Manila ka?
Ha? Tita.
Where are you going?
Abang mamagasan pa palaud.
Then,
Then 6 Kuya Gab.
si Kuya Gab.
6 daw Kuya Gab.
7 naman ikaw. You're 7 now.
Okay, all the things kayo natin si Kaina.
Come here sa delivery. You're going to?
Manila. Manila ka mamagasan. Papa now.
What? What did you say? What did you say? Ano to?
Mamagasan pa pala. Manila. Mamagasan.
Loud your voice. Unsay mo ingon, Mag?
Mag-report ka. Manila, please.
Manila. Uy.
Manila, please. Mami, feedback. Manila, please. Mamagasan.